Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video we are going to attempt some questions on the basis of topic which we have studied in our last video, areas of similar triangles. So here in this question, the question is saying that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and areas be 64 centimeter square of triangle ABC and 121 centimeter square of triangle DEF, and EF is given as 15.4 centimeter. So our question is asking to find BC. So how will we find BC? Solve this question. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now area of triangle ABC and divided by area of triangle DEF will be equal to AB by DE whole square is equal to BC by EF whole square is equal to AC by DF whole square. It's the formula to find the ratio of the sides and the ratio of the area of two similar triangles. If you don't know how to find or how to understand this formula, you can go and check out my last video and the link will be in the description box. So it is given that EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter and area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF will be equal to 64 centimeter square by 121 centimeter square. And if we have to find the side EF, so the EF is given as 15.4 centimeter square, but here we have to find side BC because the question said us to find side BC. So if we put area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF equal to BC by EF whole square, because it is equal as the ratio of the area of similar triangles will be equal to the ratio of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles, the square of the ratio. Okay, so if we put this as, say this is as 1, so if we put this equal to BC by EF whole square, 64 by 121 is equal to BC square by 15.4 centimeter square. Okay, because EF is given as 15.4 centimeter. BC divided by 15.4 equal to 8 by 11. Now BC will be equal to 8 into 15.4 divided by 11 and our answer will be 11.2 centimeter. BC will be equal to 11.2 centimeter. This is our final answer because the question said us to find BC only. In this method you can solve your questions to gain full marks. Now let's jump to our second question. In this question, the question said that diagonals of a trapezium ABCD, this is a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC, intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to 2CD, it is given that AB is equal to 2CD. Okay, find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and COD. We have to find the ratio of the areas of two triangles. Which two triangles? Triangle AOB and triangle COD. So this triangle and this triangle. So we have to find the ratio of the areas of these two triangles. Since AB is parallel to CD, angle OAB will be equal to angle OCD and angle OBA will be equal to angle ODC, as these are alternate interior angles. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle AOB will be equal to angle COD, as these are vertically opposite angles, and angle OAB will be equal to angle OCD, because these are alternate interior angles. You have to mention all these properties in your exam in order to gain full marks. And also angle OBA will be equal to angle ODC, as these are also alternate interior angles. So you can say that therefore triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by AAA, triple A similarity criteria. So if we have to find the area of these two triangles, these two similar triangles, so therefore the ratio of area of triangle AOB and triangle COD will be equal to the square of the ratio of the two corresponding sides of two similar triangles. Since it is given that AB is equal to 2CD, so can we replace AB by CD? And therefore the area will be 2CD by CD whole square, and the ratio of the area will be 4:1. So by this method you can solve all your questions, and you have to mention all the properties by which you are solving your question in order to get full marks. So if you have any doubt regarding any topic or any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.